technology can't do anything that, it can't change anything that people don't let it. It's a tool, it's a hammer, and if you use it to hammer somebody, then that's bad. If you use it to build a house, then that's good.
I think that we will experience very drastic changing in financial sector, in economics, in the way we do things, in the way we live our lives. I think we will see drastic changes in about 15 years from now.
There is loads and loads of different gadgets, new tech coming up, but actually getting to know the people, sharing the experience and finding new possibilities for cooperation is really, really important. And Digital Festival is just one of the places that does it.
I am a problem solver by nature, so the opportunity to come and talk with other problem solvers and hear their experiences and learn from them was really exciting.
This conference gives the opportunity to work on the crossroads between digital on the one hand and society on the other hand.
The rationale for this kind of event, which is not a typical conference, is to bring together on the one side the policymakers, of which there are many, many in Brussels in the European institutions on the one side, on the other side the people, what we can call the real world, the people who are involved in technology, in inventions, in startups, trying to make the world a better place. And bringing these two worlds together is a great, great enterprise.